tall as a tree, as scary as the sea, as hot as fire, cold as ice, sweet as sugar and everything nice, as old as time, as straight as a line, as royal as a queen, as buzzed as a bee, as stealth as a tiger, smooth as a glider, pure as a melody, pure as I wanna be.
Namaskar. At the stroke of 12 on the morning of 15th August 1947, India awoke. A new India, a free India awoke. And in these 75 years, we have been able to make great progress and development. This is a wonderful moment for me to wish everyone Happy Independence Day. And let's pledge once again that we all have to keep the spirit of this independent country of brotherhood, secular, and of course, work for peace. The development of the country is a sign that we are a progressive nation. And this progressive nation has lots of entrepreneurs, lots of scientists, lots of medical staff. Let's salute to each one of them who is contributing towards the progress of the nation. And my suggestion, guidance, as well as advice to the young independent citizens of the country: prepare yourself for a brighter, wonderful, challenging tomorrow. And that tomorrow is yours. Because you live in a free country which gives you so many rights, but at the same time there are duties and responsibilities which each one of us has to understand and fulfill. Foremost, now in this time of the pandemic, the foremost important duty is to keep yourself safe, safeguard yourself, and devote yourself to think creative, to think different. And take care, be happy. Happy Independence Day once again. Thank you.
Namaskar and warm greetings to one and all for enjoying and celebrating our 75th years of freedom. Today our tricolor does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it.
देश प्रेम एक पवित्र भाव जो देश के प्रत्येक नागरिक में होना आवश्यक है। जो सच्चे देशभक्त होते हैं वे देश के हितकारी कार्यों में तन, मन और धन से लग जाते हैं।
So let us all pledge together to carry the rich legacy of our country far ahead, where Indians stand with their heads held high.
महाराणा प्रताप, शिवाजी भोसले, चंद्रशेखर आजाद और भगत सिंह जैसे अनेक देशभक्तों की देशभक्ति से हमारा भारत गौरवान्वित होता रहा है। प्रत्येक भारतीय को भी अपने अधिकारों से ज्यादा अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करना चाहिए, तभी हमारा देश विश्व में एक महाशक्ति बनकर उभरेगा।
To mark the 75th year of our independence, our school had organized a series of activities in which the students had actively participated to mark the historic event of our country. All the students showed their zeal and their love for their country by actively participating in different activities.
I'm Akila Gupta from class 9th, and today I will be telling you about our first war of independence. The struggle of our freedom started with the revolt of 1857. The very first revolt against the British that ignited the feeling of patriotism amongst the people. They stand united to fight tooth and nail to attain the cherished desire of our independent country.
भगत सिंह ने चंद्रशेखर आजाद व पार्टी के अन्य सदस्यों के साथ मिलकर जिस साहस से ब्रिटिश सरकार का मुकाबला किया वह युवाओं के लिए एक प्रेरणा है। उन्होंने अपनी छोटी सी उम्र में ही वह कर दिखाया जो सबकी सोच से परे था। उन्हें इस बात की जानकारी थी कि बलिदान की शुरुआत उन्हें करनी होगी, तभी क्रांतिकारी युवा देश के लिए मर मिटने को तैयार होंगे। भगत सिंह की यह पंक्तियां इस बात की ओर ही संकेत करती हैं। लिख रहा हूँ मैं अंजाम जिसका कल आगाज आएगा, मेरे लहू का हर एक कतरा इनकलाब लाएगा।
National symbols, meaning and significance. India has several national symbols and chosen very carefully to depict the country's image. Each symbol has a specific meaning and significance. For example, our national anthem. It is adapted from capital of Ashoka, which symbolizes power and courage. Like this, every symbol is chosen very carefully for its own reason.
महिलाओं का देश की आजादी की लड़ाई में एक महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहा है। गांधी जी के अनुसार हमारे देश की असंख्य महिलाओं ने अपने साहस से आजादी की लड़ाई को सही दिशा दी। जब हमारे देश के पुरुष विभिन्न आंदोलनों के कारण अंग्रेज सरकार द्वारा जेलों में बंद कर दिए गए, तब उनकी अनुपस्थिति में इन महिलाओं ने ही स्वतंत्रता आंदोलनों को सक्रिय रखा। क्या हम अरुणा आसिफ अली, मैडम बिकाजी कामा, विजय लक्ष्मी पंडित, सरोजिनी नायडू जैसी असंख्य महिलाओं का योगदान भूल सकते हैं? कदापि नहीं। इन महिलाओं ने शांति प्रिय आंदोलनों के साथ साथ क्रांतिकारी आंदोलनों में भी अपनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है।
After independence, India's growth. Since 1947, our country has achieved tremendous progress in raising growths, income levels, and standards of living. India has achieved success in all the 5 sectors, including science and technology, education, economy, agriculture, and defense. Our country has taken confident strides in its road to success and to be in par with all the developed countries of the world.
Namaskar everyone, I am Anna Verma of Flyers to See. The condition of India immediately after independence was unsettled. There was a lot of development that was needed in terms of administration, economy and living conditions of the homeless.
Ignited in Indians a courageous spirit. When freedom of minds were neglected at all, an idea of liberty grew a mountain tall. By the efforts of great patriots, a free India germinated as a tree.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
Title of my poem is My Country, My Only Love. Love, something which you can't measure. It's a feeling of joy and pleasure. Love is not only the gender or thing. It's what which animate you from what you are being. Now I am also in love. I am the lover of my nation.
Glimpses of the address by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on the Independence Day. Our country stands free from all the bondages, and we Indians stand with our heads held high. And where all Indians strive hard to attain success, and this we have proved by our success charts. And yes, I feel proud that I am an Indian, and for me, my country always stands first.
भारत की संस्कृति विश्व की सबसे पुरानी संस्कृति मानी जाती है। हमारी संस्कृति में जो प्रभाव सहिष्णुता का जो पाठ पढ़ाया जाता है, वो विश्व के सामने एक मिसाल है। धर्म, आस्था, अध्यात्म और अहिंसा जैसे गुण हमारी संस्कृति के आधार हैं। हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने हजारों वर्ष पूर्व ही वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की नीति को अपना लिया था। हमारी भारत भूमि ने हमें सब कुछ दिया। हमें हमारे भारतीय होने पर गर्व है। मातृभूमि का ऋण चुकाना आसान नहीं, लेकिन हम इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं कि जिए तो सदा इसी के लिए, यही अभिमान रहे। न्यौछावर कर दे हम सर्वस्व हमारा प्यारा भारतवर्ष।
India has 2 million gods and worships them all. In religion, all other countries are paupers. India is the only millionaire.
And it is like the birth of our country.
India of my dreams, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. I dream of a country where all Indians stand with their head held high, and where they always have the zeal to move forward and be like a clear stream which has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit.
But have we really fulfilled all our duties and achieved the targets that we had set for this mark? Or their dreams still remain unfulfilled? This is something to chew on. Now let's hear the different opinions and perspectives on the topic India of my dreams.
Gives goosebumps. India of my hallucination is like a utopian vision, but it can happen if we try. I dream of India to be educated, to be without poverty and without discrimination.
India of my dreams is a land of eternal happiness where people feel free and secure.
जब तक बहती रस धार नहीं, तब तक वह जीवन नीरस है। खुलता उन्नति का द्वार नहीं, खुलता उन्नति का द्वार नहीं।
अब चांद पे पांव जमाना है, सूरज से आंख मिलाना है, एक नया सवेरा लाना है, संकल्प नया दोहराना है।
मुश्किल वक्त में भी हम न खोए हौसला, मिलके साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला। हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है, बस तेरी ही खातिर जाए सरफरोश है। जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे, आसमां तिरंगा सजाना।
मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में, मैं देशभक्त भी कह रहा हूँ। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ।
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मेरे